everyone, now we'll be solving exercise 5e, first question from quadratic equations. The question says if the perimeter of a right angle triangle is 40 centimeter and its hypotenuse is 2 centimeter longer than one side, find the length of the sides of the triangle. Now here we are going to draw a right angle triangle. Okay, I'll draw a right angle triangle roughly. Suppose this is A, B, C. Now what they have said, the perimeter of a right angle triangle is 40 centimeter. Means this side plus this side plus this side is all equal to 40 centimeter. Okay. And its hypotenuse is 2 centimeter longer than one side. Suppose this is the hypotenuse, right? Angle opposite to 90 degrees is the hypotenuse. And what they said, longer than one side. Suppose we consider this one side as x. So if this is x, then this will be x plus 2 because it is 2 centimeter longer. So this will be x centimeter and this will be x plus 2 centimeter, right? Find the length of the sides of a triangle. Now what is perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all sides. So if we take sum of all sides, means this is x plus 2, this is plus x, we don't know this side. Okay, suppose I write it as AB only, it is equal to 40, right? So what will be AB? If I take this becomes 38, right? This is x plus x 2x. When it comes here, it becomes minus 2x. So this side will be 38 minus 2x, right? Now we will solve. Okay, so according to the Pythagoras theorem, what will happen is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, right? So what is AB square? AB square is 38 minus 2x the whole square plus BC is x square and AC x plus 2 the whole square, right? Here we'll be applying the formula of a plus b the whole square. So this becomes x square plus 2ab plus b square 38 square. Now we'll find the square root for 38 square. 38 square will be 1444 minus 2ab plus b square, that is 4x square plus x square, right? Now two twos are 4x plus 4 38 into 4. We are going to find 38 into 4. That becomes 152x plus now all the xx terms at one side, this we will copy as it is. Let this be there, minus 4x square minus x square plus 152x is equal to 1444 minus 4, right? So So this becomes x square and x square will get cancelled. This becomes is equal to now when I shift these terms, this becomes minus 4x square plus 156x minus 1440 equal to 0. Now we'll multiply this by minus 1 so that we get rid of this negative sign. This becomes positive, this becomes negative, and this becomes again positive. Now all these are divisible by 4. So let's check out. This becomes 4 ones are. This becomes 4 threes are 12. This becomes 4 nines are 36. This becomes again 4 threes are 12. And 0. Now let's find the factors of 360 such that we get the answer minus 36. If we take 24 and 15, we get the answer minus 39. So let's write the factors. Minus 24 and minus 15 becomes minus 39, and when we multiply this becomes 360. Now let's form brackets. This becomes because minus into minus is plus. So what is x? Let's find x is equal to 15 or x is equal to 24. Right. Now let's see, when x is 15, what are the values? When x is 15, what are the values? Let's find. What will be hypotenuse? Or we will write AC will be x plus 2, right? And BC will be, BC is 15 and AB will be 38 minus 2x, that is 15. If we substitute here, this becomes 30, that is 38 minus 30 becomes 8 centimeter. And when x is equal to 24, that time AC will be x plus 2, that is 24 plus 2, that is BC is obviously x, that is but this is neglected because length is never negative. So your answer will conclude the lengths of the given rectangle are 17 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively. So this was all about first sum from exercise 5E. Thank you.